Smath here, stoichiometry calculation number 3 video. Now this one tails with the one we just did, mass to mass. Now we're going to do a limiting reagent problem. What this problem implies is you're going to be given 2 reactants and asked for which one is limiting. It's going to control the amount of product or the amount of other substance that you need. So in this case, it's asking us how many grams of NH3 could be produced from 5 grams of N2 and 5 grams of H2. Now this is real helpful because this is going to tell me how I know I've got a limiting reagent problem. I have that one as a known and I have that one as a known, and they're asking how much NH3 can I do. So we're going to have to perform 2 calculations in these types of problems where you have 2 knowns. The first calculation is going to be going from N2 to NH3, and the second calculation from H2 to NH3. So we take our 5 grams of nitrogen, convert that. That 28 grams is the molar mass of nitrogen off the periodic table. Then perform my U over K. My K is nitrogen at this point, and NH3 is always my unknown. Then I convert that NH3 back into grams. 5 times 2 times 17 divided by 28 is going to give me an answer of 6.07 grams. That's how much ammonia could be produced if I used just the nitrogen. Now, what if I use the hydrogen? Take 5 grams of hydrogen. 1 mole of hydrogen is 2 grams, molar mass off the periodic table. Use my U over K. 2 moles of ammonia, 3 moles of H2. Then convert those moles back into grams. These 2 steps are the same. We're just getting them into a common form of grams. Now I look at my answer. If I had just the hydrogen, that answer is 28.3. In this case, I have to compare my 2 answers that I get, and I always choose the smaller number. This number is fictitious. We don't have enough nitrogen to make that number. So we do have enough of everything to make the NH3, and what that tells me is N2 is my limiting reagent. It's going to be used up or consumed in the reaction. I'm going to have some H2 that's going to be in excess. It's going to be left over. So this is a classic problem where you have 2 knowns, 1 unknown. How much can I make? And at the end of it, I can determine what's my limiting reagent and what's my excess reagent. I'm Smath. This is Limiting Reagents, Stoich 3. I hope this video helped you.